Today we're gonna see how to deposit with Play Plus on the Caesars Sportsbook app. Firstly, open the app and log into your account. Click on the account balance at the top right of the screen and this will take you to your profile page. Click Deposit button to begin the process. On the deposit page, choose Caesars Prepaid Play Plus as your preferred deposit method. Accept the terms and conditions to register for a Play Plus prepaid card. Register button to complete the sign-up process. Once your Play Plus card is registered, click the Add Funds button. Enter the amount you wish to add to your Play Plus account and choose your preferred funding method to complete the deposit. Now enter the amount you added to Play Plus and click the deposit button to transfer the funds to your Caesars Sportsbook account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.